What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another wig video. So in this video, this is Kiki Beauty. So it comes with all those nice little things like eyelashes, the brush so you could do your edges, and yeah, I love it. So this is the unit. Like, it looks really good. Now y'all, this unit gave me a little bit of a hard time, and y'all are gonna see this in a bit because your girl thought that it might have been like an invisible part, you know, where you just clip it in on your part and it looks fantabulous. Well, it didn't do quite that. So I fiddled with it and I tried, and I thought it was going to be easy breezy, lemon squeezy, and girlfriend, it was a knot. So right there, I was just showing you how to snap the hooks so you can get it into your head. And getting it in wasn't a problem. Like, that was, well, actually it was a little bit of a challenge. But I think like if you braid your hair down and you just snap those snaps into the braid, you know, it would probably work better. But I didn't braid my hair. So, and my hair texture is actually different from the unit. So it took me a lot to get this wig to work with me. But y'all just keep watching. It's going to work out in the end. I promise you, it's going to work out in the end. So y'all see my facial expression, like, sis, your girl was tired, like. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and put some water on the hair, brush that sucker down. We're going to throw a wig cap on it because I said there's got to be a better way. So you'll see, watch and see. I'm going to let y'all watch the rest of this video. I'll chime in when I need to. So as you can see right here, my hair is definitely two different colors. And I also have a Wave Nouveau in my hair, but that's neither here nor there. So I'm just trying to blend it in. And then I got the idea from wetting my hair to actually go ahead and wet the unit because this was looking horrific. So I tried my best with it like this. And that wasn't working, but girl, I went and put some water in that thing and check it out. Yes. And these curls are so beautiful. It is poppin'. Like, your girl was looking sweet. Okay, baby. Like, yes, come through curls. But you know, you just blend your hair to the wig and you're good to go. Like, it wasn't that bad. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. So I think I blended it pretty well. I do. Okay, so if I can do this, so can you. So go ahead and get yourself one of these wigs because this wig is definitely fire. And thank you for watching this review. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you.